Right, so good morning. Hey guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner is Cash and Millzone, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, a quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Okay, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to profitably trade these Forex markets, and of course if you're looking to learn the Forex strategy, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you all had a great London session. I hope you guys had just all in all a good weekend. We had the day off yesterday. We weren't doing too much. We actually had a little bit of work outside of these markets that we had to tend to, which is why we didn't have the session. But I hope you guys, the ones that were trading, had a good one. All right, so give me a quick second and I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Y'all hear me, right? Awesome. What's up, Space? Okay, let me know when you guys see my screen. Okay, so that's gold right now. Nice little liquidity grab, push to the upside, break a structure. Let's look at the long positions coming in there. Even like this, but this is for the more. This is for you guys on the one-on-ones. Okay, nice zone to zone. About an 18-20 pip move sitting right here in case you want to get that done. All right. Here are the indices. So we have Nasdaq, and we have the dirty. We have about 8 more minutes. Do you guys want me to do GU for y'all? Who wants GU? What's up, Cram? Loud and clear. What's up, man? How's it going, Jack Frost? GU space. I know you want it, but do we have more people on here that want me to chart some GU? Or I'll leave it up to you guys. What do y'all want me to chart today? So we do the 3 that we regularly do. What do you guys want? Disable meeting info. Okay, guys, I'll have it taken care of from the next session, but if y'all could please make sure you guys are on mute, I would appreciate that. Oh, mute all, there you go. Okay, I muted you guys. GU. Alright, I'm seeing a couple of GUs. Good, let's do the top down on GU really quick. And let's see how we're looking, okay? So let's have GU up with gold maybe. Alright, nice moves. This was London. Caught that move. Good stuff on London today. GBP, USD. This was also GU for London. Space, you remember what we spoke about today, right? That drop, bigger trend, boom, push to the upside. Cash beautifully caught the zone for London. What we'd spoken about, nice entry, exit, retest, break, and a solid 70 pip move on GU, man. That's quite a bit for GU. We called it on the session. Yes, sir, we did. We did. Okay. Let's quickly start with the top down. We have about 6 more minutes to news. Alright, so let's take a look at how we're looking. Bullish day, opened up bearish, picked up buyers from there, pushing to the upside. Lots of supply sitting up here, so a lot of chop. Let's go ahead and mark up our daily support and the daily resistance. Oh shit, that's DAX, my bad. I just switched it up. There you go. That's better. Thanks, my man. Okay, chop. Alright, let's look at this. We're coming into some nice little daily support right here. Some daily resistance sitting there. Alright, let's take a look at the 4H real quick. Okay, what are we seeing here? One-on-ones. What are we potentially getting into? good stuff. Okay, so that's our 4H support right there. Coming into some nice little 4H resistance. Alright, let's grab this guy as well. Okay, not coming into any levels on the Ali, so let's put on some Ali resistance right here. Switch to the 15s. Alright, nice liquidity grab in case we want to get back down here. Lots of chop sitting there. Okay. Cool. 4 minutes to go. Alright, let's switch that up then. Let's get a nice new 15-minute resistance right here. Okay. Alright, so we're coming into supply right there. And we could literally just do that. Trap and gap this whole thing. Alright, we're distributing here currently. Okay, let's trap and gap this here. And let's see, maybe we get a breakout going either way, there or down here. Okay, not very big moves. 10 and about 12, 13 pips to the downside, okay? And then of course if we break down from here, we could get a nice little scalp. Okay, so we've got about 2 more minutes to news. Let's just take a look at everything and see how we're looking all around. Awesome. Okay, so we have Goldie sitting right here. If it wants to happen. Alright. Let's take a look at this. Okay, potential death cross coming in. What do you guys want to have for news? Do you all want to do the indices, or do you all want to do Gold GU, or do you all want to do one indice and one of those? What do you all want to do, guys? Quickly, we don't have too much time. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, guys, listen. We're not financial advisors, alright? So if you're going to be taking any trades, you're going to be taking them upon yourself to not be risking more than 1% on any given trade at any given time, alright? We said that. Let's have a good one, okay? So we have news opening up. Gold, one indice and one gold. Alright, so let's take a look at gold for right now. And let's see, you guys. Let's see if gold wants to give us a nice little move. This is news in the next 7 seconds. Let's have a good one, you guys. Please, please, please be careful. Boom! Fuck! Did you just see what gold did? Okay, gold just pushed up. Alright, be careful. My MetaTrader stuck on me, you guys. I couldn't get in on gold. I couldn't get in on anything. MetaTrader stuck on me, and it's stuck on me really bad. Alright, liquidity, slippage, very, very dirty. Wait for it, you guys. Wait for it, okay? If price wants to come down here, then wait for that. Let's take a look at Nasty. Look at that. Gap up, push down on Nasty. Don't be getting in on these sells right now, you guys. That's a massive gap up, okay? Wow, look at what's going on, man. This is crazy. Okay, so I'm in on nothing. I'm in on nothing. I tried getting in on a feeler for gold, but it just happened too quick. I was a victim of slippage right now, and I basically got triggered in my feeler up around somewhere over here, which is about a 50 pip move, okay? And I'm out of it as well. I don't give a shit. I lost about 62 bucks on this because of my broker, but it's all good, okay? It is what it is. I'll try to find a move once these markets settle down. Okay, very erratic. Very erratic right now. This is expected. Look at that, look at that. Are you guys seeing this? My one-on-ones? Are you all seeing that gap on Nasty? That's ugly. Alright? That's uglier than my ex. Okay, my wife's sleeping, so it's fine. Alright, so hey no man, everyone's beautiful in their own way. Um DXY is going. Are we bullish on the DXY corner? How does a big gap like that happen out of curiosity? Your broker, man, they want orders to be triggered, so your broker is going to make them skip past the orders so that all the buys sitting in this basically get triggered, and then we have a big candle that pushes down, hits everyone's stop losses, and the chances are this will just start to push back up again. But it's what your broker does to make you hit your stop loss, make you have your order triggered, and make you hit your stop loss. Yeah, Millzone, just take it easy, bro. Chill. You want to wait? Oh no, wait. Was that... Who said that? Millzone to everyone. Oh, right. Millzone said, yup. Thank you. Yes, absolutely. Listen to Millzone, okay? So you guys need to wait for the first candle to close. So far, nothing has closed. Me said it, me asked. Okay. I hope you had a good trip, Mills. Okay, super erratic right now, right? Not much happening. Um, Nothing's closing in. Let's see. All right, so let's have safer entries now. We have our trap and gap sitting right over here. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna have the cells down in this region. Got about a minute and a half to go. Yeah, we had a lovely weekend, man. Thank you. We were away from the markets. We were away from Discord. We were away from everything. We were just chilling. Um, Drove out countryside a little and just had a good time and came back, man. Okay. Nothing yet. All right. So guys, I took an L on my feeler on gold. Um, I hope you guys are still not in on this. So I started seeing this big candle push up. I hit buy on a feeler. Thankfully, it was only a fucking dollar a pip. It was a feeler, but I hit buy and basically it triggered me up there. Okay? It was stuck for like 20 seconds and then tuck, my MetaTrader made the sound and I was like, okay. And I looked and I basically bought gold up there. Alright, so that happened. Came down all the way here. I stopped out when it started breaking this. I was like, fuck it. Alright, so I took about a 60 bucks on this. Alright, took about 60. Alright, so I had about a $62, $63 loss on this guy. And I'll wait for the re-entry. Okay, that's a new candle. GU looks good. Yeah, it does. It does. No. No, man. I'm gonna leave this down here for now, okay? Is Nasty doing something? Nasty's going for the wick fill potentially. Solid momentum could be coming in. Let's see. Is anyone in any trades right now? I am in nothing myself. Just watching for now. Let's see if we maybe want to break that daily support. Oof, look at that drop. Alright, guys, if we break the daily support, we're pushing down, okay? But I don't see that happening. I do feel like we could pick up some demand right from down here. And then maybe we can look to adjust our buys. Look at that. They're fucking pushing. Okay, if they break the daily, I'm going to be trigger finger. And I'm going to try and get in, okay? Alright, they're trying to push down. Come on, let's get our pips. Let's get our pips. Let's do it. I like the level we're at. Alright, but there's some serious demand that's going to kick in here. Alright, guys, you'll need to realize that. We have to break past these sellers. Break past these buyers. In order to get the continued move. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. That. We have buyers sitting right here. We have some demand that's sitting right here, and we need to break past this in order to come to the downside. Okay, but I'm going to be trigger finger on this. Let's see, man. Let's see. Okay. The dirty's not doing anything. GU, look at GU. There you go. Cut. You better be making money on this, alright? Cut space. JJ, my GU traders, if you guys are in on this, realize your goddamn profits. Don't expect more than 4 or 5 pips. Take what you get and walk out of these markets, alright? But look at the nasty. Guys, my MetaTrader is screwing with me really bad today. It's just it's not letting me get in and get out nice enough. Okay, when stuff like this happens, it's usually my cue that Cram, you need to be careful in these markets today, okay? Literally, I'm hitting sell or buy, or I'm hitting anything and I'm getting triggered in a good 5-7 seconds later. Okay? If we break this, I'm gonna get in, you guys. I'm letting y'all know. Okay? If we break this, I'm gonna be in. Please check your spreads. I have a half a pip spread on Nasdaq right now, which I'm happy with. The delay kills you. Yeah, but that usually don't happen with that usually happens with the fundeds, and I am not on a funded. Alright, so Death Cross right there. If we zoom in, now maybe that's a fake out. We don't know. Alright, let's see if they close below our demand or if they're gonna pick up buyers right there. Okay, look at that, picking right back up. I like the buys coming in over here, you guys. Nice levels for the buys sitting right here. Okay, break that, boom, push to the upside. Okay, I like where the buys are. Look at GU, gold. Gold's pushing up. What did I tell you guys? Okay, that gap. Not the gap, the buys could very most likely come in. I got out of this trade. I'd look to possibly get back in on it if we close above our box in the next 30 seconds. Okay, look at Goldie. Look at Goldie. It's attempting to go up for the wick fill. Yeah, no, my MetaTrader is fucking with me real bad today, you guys. I'm gonna take it easy. I don't want to be part of this manipulation. I'm gonna take it easy. Okay, new candles opened up. It's going bullish. Getting some rejection right over there. Let's take a look at Nasty. Alright, we're building into 3 black crows. Let's see if this candle wants to give us a new lower low, or if they want to start to pick up. Okay, is anyone in any trade right now? Anyone in any sort of trades? Are you guys watching? DXY's tanking. Yeah. That explains why I am looking to get in on this position, right, Space? Feeler on Nasdaq. Be careful with Nasdaq, okay? The indices, and even gold for that matter, are going to start to get choppy, you guys. They're going to start to get choppy towards the end of Q2, and hopefully by the time we get into Q3, we can start seeing some more cleaner momentum and volume. We're going to have erratic movement like we're having right now on gold and the indices, okay? So, which is why I'm going to make it a habit to be posting some FX for you guys as well. So I'm going to make sure to keep doing some GU or maybe EU or UC or whatever it is that you guys want me to do. But you'll need to be mindful, okay? The next month and a half, it's going to be pretty choppy for the indices. Okay, my MetaTrade is frozen on me. Not surprised. Something seriously up with my broker today. Is anyone else on a live Hanko? Not the demo. Is anyone on here using a live Hanko trade account? Oh, boom. Fucking hell. Okay, guys, 12 grand. I'm up by 17, 18 grand. That's why it was being weird. 16,000, 18,000, 19,000. Boom! I'm pulling this out right now. I close one position for 81.90. I close my second position for 8100. Who caught that with me? Fucking hell. They were being so choppy, and did y'all see that momentum push in? I want to see W's in the goddamn chat. What a move, what a move, what a move. Yes, I caught, all right, so I caught 16,410, 16,410 on this. Let's go, man. We caught this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful move on gold. 16 grand, my account's nice and happy. I'm nice and happy. I was getting pissed off, guys. I was literally getting, it was literally, 1 second. Yeah, it literally kept taking a lot of freaking time. For it to, for me to get triggered. But I got in, beautiful 16,000. I am happy. I am done. I want to see W's, guys. I want to see W's. We're still pushing up on gold. If you guys are still in on gold, I took out my profits, man. Okay, but if you guys are still in on gold, y'all want to be mindful. Literally, y'all want to be mindful about it, okay? You don't know how this can reverse. That's it, man. I told you guys we're going to buy. I told y'all, literally, I was in on the buy feelers and I got stopped out. If that's not cue for you guys that Mark says these markets, oops, I just took my name. All right, but if that's not cue for you guys that Cram says that we're going to buy, well then, it is what it is, all right? If you missed out, you missed out. But when I tell you guys this is going to happen, I have reasons as to why I say that, okay? And it freaking happened, all right? It's a lovely, lovely move. I hope you guys got that, and I'm happy, man. I'm happy. That was a nice, satisfying trade. Very satisfying trade. Thank you, Alts404, thank you. Fuck, look at gold, look at gold, look at gold. It's still pushing. Look at that, look at that. Intense, you guys, intense. All right, but you'll need to realize the things that could happen here. Did you guys catch that, Milzone? Were you in on it? Did anyone? Should have taken out partials and let a runner go. It's fine, buddy. Even if you didn't take out partials, I'm sure you made something on this beautiful trade. It's all good. It's all good. Literally, man. I didn't complain. It happened. I took out 300, 3,000. I took out almost 27 pips on two positions on this move. 27 pips. Thankfully, my broker didn't fuck with me this time. I hit bye-bye, boom, boom. I was in, and then before I knew it, when I started screaming to you guys, that's when the candle started pushing up, all right? So I didn't get screwed over on this, thankfully, and I managed to catch what I caught. Got in and got out 2 seconds later. Well, we've got to work on that, Alex, okay? So remind me to speak to you about that over the weekend, okay? Risk management, buddy. If you have risk management, you don't need to be getting in and getting out that way. If it's a calculated in and out, yeah, knock yourself out. Go for it. But if you're getting in and out because you're freaking out, Then, oh, it hit TP in 2 seconds. Boom. There you go. Lovely. What about US 30? What about it, buddy? It's not doing anything. How can I tell you what this market is going to do when it's basically just ranging sideways? Let's wait for price to go either or. We have our levels marked up. Okay. I don't have a bias for the US 30 now. But yeah, let's see. We need to get out of this zone. All right. It's bullish. At least for now. Space, you remember what I told you, right? I stayed away from the indices. You see why, right? I had a lovely session with Space this morning, and I hope it's getting clear to you, brother. This is I wouldn't have made 16 grand today on this or this. You know what I mean? This was the one, man. This was the one. Gold. It's that time for gold again. Well, it's now clear with the 16K win. Yes, man. 100%. Like, I'm done for the day. I'm so happy. Literally. I'm going to send out my position to you guys on Zoom, okay? Give me a second. Guys, but I'm not going to lie to y'all. My heart was beating really fast a second before I was going to get in because of what was happening with me today. Because I said to myself that if I hit buy and this thing doesn't trigger me in and it decides to go against me, I'm going to get fucked, right? My heart was beating really, really fast, but then I was like, even if it's a risk, it's going to be a calculated risk for me. So I'm not scared of being down by 1%, 2%. That's fine because I have my risk management in place. Okay, so that's what I did it with. I hit the buy. Thankfully, my broker didn't mess with me, and I got in. All right. I hit buy at the same time. One order triggered for me at 2009.41, and the other order triggered at 2009.29. 16 grand, man. 16 grand. Oh, I love my life, man. I can't imagine my life without these markets. It's intense. Like, I just try to get my mind away from it. I was taking the picture out for you guys, and I'm so grateful, man. I'm so grateful to be in this position that I'm in, and it makes me freaking emotional sometimes, man. There are people that struggle to make a living and they work so hard, and we're like money making machines sitting over here. I almost feel bad about it. I'm not even kidding. I struggle my ass off to get here. I've worked a lot to get here, but listen, guys, Cash and I, we don't talk about this, but we always make sure to give back to people because we've realized the more we give back, the more we get. All right, and you guys too, the ones that are making money profitably, man. Give some money to people in need. Trust me, you'll feel so good about it, and you'll see how that bounces back and comes to you. Okay, because people work really hard and they don't end up making the money that we usually make in one day. I'm not kidding. It takes them months to make that money. All right, be grateful. Do not ever take these markets for granted. All right, you guys need to know that these markets can completely destroy you. Okay, but we need to be grateful to them that it's giving us as good of a life as it is. All right, so guys, please, anytime you'll get a chance, be it for animals, be it for human beings, be it for whatever, but anytime you'll get a chance, please give back with profits that you'll make in these markets. Okay, I'm sorry, it may sound like too much for you guys, but it's just the way we think. All right, and I'm just so grateful. I'm sorry, you guys. Looking at this, it just reminded me of my early days when making 16 grand in a day was a freaking dream. It's a little surreal to think that we're doing this every day now, man. Nasty's pushing down. Let it, bro. I don't care. I don't care. But I hope you guys are trading it. I hope you guys are in on it. Babe, Cash isn't feeling too well. Babe, I just made 16 grand. Can I get some coffee? Thanks, I love you. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna send out my position. Sorry, you guys, I got a little emotional over there, but it's all good. Okay. Ah, fuck. I need to join on Zoom. Babe, can you send this for me to the guys on Zoom? Cash Superwoman. She's sleeping, man. Literally. She's right here. She's sleeping. She got done trading for London. She had a great London session. I think she made about a good 3-4 grand for London. So she was like, I don't feel like trading New York. So I was like, go to sleep. And she's been sleeping. The grind pays off. Always pays. Always. Jules, if you could please get rid of that. Okay, I need to stop the annotate from you guys as well. Yeah, babe, I'm sending it to you. Who did you ask coffee to? I asked my wife to make me some coffee. Because I'm on the stream and I don't want to leave you guys right now. What kind of coffee do you guys like? Do y'all have your coffee with some milk? Do y'all have coffee with some creamer? Red Bull kind? The only thing I have with Red Bull is Jaeger, man. I don't do no Red Bull otherwise. I don't like hot drinks. Mm-hmm. Red Bull with coffee. Just coffee. Here's coffee is culture. Yeah. Cuban espressos are my favorite, but don't get the chance to drink them all the time. Sounds good, man. Ugh. Alright, so Cash is gonna send my position to you guys on gold. Take a look and just believe that you guys will be able to do this too. Okay? Yeah, Jaeger reminds me of college, man. You know, it reminds me of uni, and um, it's just been a really long time since uni for us. So yeah, um, young days. Thank you, babe. Guys, Cash just put up my position for you guys. Two ins, 81.90, 82.20, and I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I really am. Today's one of those days. I just, I feel so thankful for being in this position that I am. It's amazing. And I wanna thank you guys, because I wouldn't be doing this, well, I would still be making the money if I wasn't on the live streams with you guys, but I wouldn't be getting as good as I am if it weren't for you guys and this beautiful community we're building here at Forex and my army of millionaires, okay? So I just want to say thank you. Thank you. No, those were intentional. Those were intentional, Alex. I don't make those mistakes, buddy. Those were intentional. The man said today I'll go safer and jumps in with a 600. Yeah, bro, because um, I was pretty fixated on these buys, which is why I even got in on the feeler. If you guys remember the feeler that went against me, I wanted to get in here. I wanted to get in somewhere here, but then I got caught over there, came out. I got out of the position, kept staring, kept staring, kept staring. Price did its thing, closed, retested, rejected, and that was my this was my entry right after that. So this is where I started gearing in, and boom, break of that, in and out. You never get annoyed with crap. Really awesome to hear how gratitude plays Yes, yes, Neha. We truly, truly believe in giving back. I'm sorry, what community? Army, army. That's what I meant. My army of millionaires. Gotta go, y'all. Better luck. Good going, y'all. Better luck next time. Nas was meh. Keep grinding, keep practicing. Yes, buddy. Yes. Nasty wasn't really. Nasty was pretty good as well. Choppy, but volumized. Look at the US 30. It's literally not doing anything. Um, we're basically just in a trap and gap zone over here. Okay, we're just going back and forth. This zone once acted as distribution. It's now also acting as accumulation. And if we pull this back, you can see some accumulation distribution happening over here as well. So, yeah, the dirty's not doing too much. All right, I'm not going to be staying for market open, you guys, just because I shouldn't be. I don't want to be over trading, and I know you guys have made some money as well. I don't want y'all to be over trading as well. So let's see how the new hourly momentum opens up. Let's see if we have any potential moves to come on the dirty maybe, and then I can give you guys those, okay? But GU didn't really do much. All right, push down impulses. Let's see if we want to get this break. I'm not looking for any sort of GU sells at this point. All right, but y'all can start to look for the buys maybe coming in somewhere there. Let's get rid of our box, and maybe we can start looking at some GU here as well. Okay, that's a nice little neckline we formed. I want the buys. I like it, buddy. I like them too. I like them too. Okay, but we've got some supply sitting here though, bro. We've got some supply that's going to come in at the 15-minute resistance, so be careful of that. Um, it's a strong level even in the past. Yeah, buddy. How many of y'all have hit your profit targets for the day? I literally made 2x, 2.5x of. Thank you so much, baby. I love you. Go and freshen up. Yeah, sorry. I literally made like 2.5%, 2.5x of what I intended to make for today. How many of y'all have hit your profit targets? Put it down in the chat, okay, you guys. It's always good to share this sort of stuff with me, especially because this is the time that we get to talk. All right. I get a lot of people, a lot of you guys sending me DMs and asking me things and telling me things, and I'm sorry, but I don't reply to those. It's just that I have people asking me some really stupid shit in my DMs. So yeah, the point is I'm live for you guys every single day anyway, right? So questions that you'll have, observations that you'll make, um, um, should be shared here. Okay. Made 1% this morning, JJ. I saw your chat, man. Good stuff, bro. GU, right? Kevin, alright. 0, 1.5, 1.3. Amount for today, yes, sir. L for me today, but it is what it is. Still within my risk management. Yeah, if it's within your risk management, it's fine. Bro, what you need to be doing is you need to be following the ones that I trade. The gains, you need to be following the ones I trade. Don't trade what I don't trade. Especially because I wouldn't, you're sort of more dependent on the analysis as well. All right, so you want to make sure that try to get in on the ones that I'm getting in. You should be able to get in those more confidently. All right, this is, for example, this one, the one that I was trading. So, when I take one trade a day. You guys know that. When I say one trade a day, I mean one trade on the session. I don't take more trades than that. I'm looking for one good setup for myself to work out, and when that works out, I'm done. Like right now, I'm sitting, talking to you guys, I'm chilling, but my phone's away. Literally, my phone's charging. It's away. It's not even in my hand right now. If you guys go onto YouTube, plug, put in the freaking, put in the freaking link. But go on to YouTube, see the camera. I'm sipping on my coffee right now. I do not even have my phone in my hand, okay? So take your profits, get done, and move out of these markets. Yeah, my NAS slowly making profit. I love it. I love it, okay? Be careful though. This is a retest. Let's see if we want to respect this as some supply. If we don't respect this, we're pushing right back up, okay? Guys, if y'all haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure and go and subscribe to the channel. Let's get some likes up on this stream. Hi Cram, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Emily, thank you. I really appreciate you. Damien, thank you for subscribing, brother. Thank you so much. Guys, go ahead and subscribe, literally. We do this as a free service for y'all. We, in a couple of weeks, I'm not even going to say months, this number that's 345 on YouTube right now, I promise you, is going to be in the hundreds. You guys that have the OG role, you guys that are basically on the Zoom call right now, y'all are going to be our private members. The perks that you guys get, the folks on YouTube aren't going to get. All right, so you'll want to make sure to go ahead and be subscribed. You'll want to make sure that y'all are basically just active in our close community over here. Make sure y'all have gotten your OG roles, and you guys are going to be good, okay? Because the stuff that I'm going to share with y'all, I'm not going to be sharing with the folks that come on YouTube moving forward. Okay, GU, starting to go in for those buys. Like I said, safer entries up there. The Ali momentum didn't bring too much. I am going to be on this call for maybe the next 3 minutes, and then we're going to call it a session. Guys, for the one-on-ones, I don't think we're going to be opening up a spot for the next couple of days, all right? Because currently there's an 8-week wait time, which I realize is quite a bit. So yeah, we're not going to be, we're pretty much booked right now. I'm booked. If you go to book it now, you're getting a spot for mid-July. All right, that's how booked we are with the one-on-ones, all right? But what we can do is, if you guys, the ones that are new on here, if y'all are interested, just message Cash. Message her, so she'll have your messages in her DMs, and when we have a slot open, she'll get back to you according to the list that people have messaged through, depending on who messaged first, and she'll let you guys know that that there's a spot open. So if y'all are interested in taking it, y'all can then take it. Okay, so make sure to message her and just let her know that I'm looking for the one-on-ones. Please let me know when there's a spot open. She'll get back to you. I'm late. What did I miss, man? You missed me making 16 grand live in front of everyone, buddy. It was a lovely, lovely day. We caught some really nice moves, up by 16K, and happy. In fact, just gonna call it a session. Hey, my man. I love that. I love that. I can't wait to see where you're going to be with it next month. And you know it, bro. I always have something new planned for you, okay? Always. What's the trade that you made, man? Gold? Yes, yes, yes. I was in on gold, and I caught this push to the upside. That candle. That's what we caught. Break a structure. Boom. Nice push. Congrats, Cram. Great session. Thank you, Jack Frost. I hope the trading's going well, my man. Off to my in real life work now. Take care of the gains. Later, bro. For anyone that has not done the one-on-ones with Cram, I highly recommend it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother. Yeah, 140 plus people on the one-on-ones at this point, okay? And not one person has told me how, not one person hasn't told me how undervalued these sessions are, okay? Because like you guys know it, we're not doing it for the money, all right? My mentor once told me that if you're really good at something, you don't want to do it for free, all right? I respect the time that Cash and I have put into these markets. I respect the grind that's gotten us here, which is why it's charged as nominally as it is charged, okay? It's just to respect ourselves. All right, so everyone's told me it's undervalued, but the ones that are on the one-on-ones, 140 of y'all know how passionate I am when it comes to coaching y'all about these markets. And yeah, yeah, these sessions, grab them whilst you can, okay? Because I promise you, they're not going to be there for too long. And I personally am not going to be doing this for too long, all right? We'll probably have someone else who comes on board and who teaches what we teach you guys on Forex, but it's probably not going to be Krem himself or me myself. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, great. So London's happening tomorrow as well. We're going to see you guys in the morning. Thank you all so much. This was truly a lovely session. I'm so glad we were able to come on here. And again, I'm so thankful, so grateful to you guys, just to everything that got me to this point, and you guys should be as well. Okay, it doesn't matter if y'all have made $1, doesn't matter if y'all have made 100, doesn't matter if y'all have made 1,000, 10,000, whatever it is. All right, but be grateful in these markets. That's literally the lesson for the day, because these markets, guys, they don't owe us anything. All right, this is a massive ocean with some really big fish, some really, really big sharks, and we are just the little fish that are able to navigate our way through these markets without getting eaten. Okay, so let's. I'm sorry, babe. All right. Okay. So anyway, my point is, be grateful, give back, and you'll see how these markets are gonna come and just do you guys really, really good. Okay, so my army of millionaires, I fucking love you guys. Thank you all so much for stopping by. As always, I will see y'all tomorrow for both London and New York. And listen, the ones that made money, make sure to go on to Success Stories on the Forex server and put on a post, all right? And Jack, Space, you guys go on to our Forex server, put on a post just so that we have people, that the new people that come onto our server, and they're going to be like, these guys are up to something, all right? Because NFT people, they don't know too much about Forex, okay? They need to see numbers to make it happen. All right, I'm just joking with y'all, okay? But thank you guys so much. Y'all are my freaking army of millionaires. And like I keep saying, all right, if you haven't jumped on board yet, what are you waiting for? Do what you've got to do. Start learning. Join the sessions and get on and make this money with us. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I will catch you on the next one. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, signing out, you guys. Thank you. Bye. Have a good one.